Everybody shake it, baby.
What did Mr. Is ask Zack to do? Mr. Is asked Zack to come there. What did Mr. Is ask Zack? Mr. Is asked Zack whether he played the guitar. What did the boy ask Mr. S? The boy asked Mr. S what was going on. What did Mr. S tell the kids? He told the kids that he had heard them in music class. What did he tell the kids? He told them that they could really play. What did he ask the kids? He asked them why anyone hadn't told him. What did he ask Zack to do? He asked Zack to try that one.